Are you looking for an air conditioner that can boost your indoor comfort, help reduce your energy bills, and fall within most medium-sized budgets? If the answer is yes, then let me introduce you to the Trane XL18i air conditioner. In this video, we'll go over its features, explore the costs, and see who will get the most benefit from this system. Hi, I'm Luke with Fire and Ice. We've helped thousands of Central Ohio homeowners find the best HVAC systems that meet their individual needs. When considering air conditioners, we are often asked if there is a model that will help reduce their energy bills in the summer, make them more comfortable, and not cost them an arm and a leg. The answer, time and time again, is the Trane XL18i. In this video, we'll go over the most common questions regarding this system and cover: what are the features of the Trane XL18i? What is the XL18i's efficiency rating? Who's the right fit for this air conditioner? How much does the XL18i cost? And finally, what is the next step in the process? By the end of this video, you'll know if the Trane XL18i air conditioner is right for you. Let's get going and take a look at the features of the Trane XL18i. First off is its two-stage compressor. This means that when the XL18i first comes on, it starts in its lower stage, using around 70% of its total capacity. When demand for more cooling is needed, the XL18i will then go into a second stage and use 100% of the capacity. A two-stage air conditioner will also run quieter compared to other single-stage systems because it's often running in the lower stage. This allows your air conditioner to condition the air longer for more consistent cooling and dehumidification. It also helps save on energy bills by not running at 100% capacity every time it's on. The compressor also comes with a 12-year manufacturer's warranty. Lastly is the XL18i's deluxe design and weather guard top. Trane goes to great lengths to design their equipment to keep the elements and debris out and continue to perform when it's needed most. Each piece of equipment is rigorously tested again and again to ensure that it will continue to work regardless of the conditions outside. What is the efficiency rating of the Trane XL18i? The Trane XL18i has a SEER rating of up to 18. SEER, or Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, is the industry standard of measuring how much energy an air conditioner uses to cool your home during the average cooling season. Simply put, the higher the rating, the more efficient your air conditioner is, resulting in more energy savings. For comparison, most air conditioners on the market today are rated between 13 and 22 SEER, making the Trane XL18i a high-efficiency air conditioner. Who is the Trane XL18i a good fit for? The Trane XL18i is a good fit for homeowners who plan to stay in their home for the next 5 or more years and are looking for an air conditioner that can increase their comfort, be more efficient, and is more affordable than higher-end models. Thanks to its two-stage compressor, the XL18i is able to address inconsistent temperatures and hot spots between rooms, as well as help reduce indoor humidity levels in your home. It's also efficient and can help reduce your energy bills during the cooling season. It's been shown that homeowners who have switched from an older 10 SEER or lower air conditioner to the XL18i have saved an estimated 56% in their energy costs during a cooling season. Now, I will say that the XL18i is on the larger side and is nearly 5 feet tall after installation. If your current air conditioner is located near a window, the XL18i could obstruct your view. Discuss your options with your HVAC partner if you are considering this air conditioner. Additionally, if you plan on moving out of your house in the next 5 years, your current single-stage air conditioner is meeting your needs, or you're simply not looking to spend a lot of money on a new air conditioner, then the XL18i might be more system than you really need. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. The Trane XL18i air conditioner costs between $7,000 and $9,500. For comparison, installing a new air conditioner generally can cost between $4,000 and $12,500. At Fire and Ice, all of our estimates include the cost of equipment, labor, and any additional fees. There are a number of factors that go into the cost of a new air conditioner installation, such as the size of your home, filters and other indoor air quality products, and any modifications that are needed to be made during installation. There are no one-size-fits-all solutions when it comes to HVAC systems. Let's talk about what to do next. If you want more information on the Trane XL18i or other cooling solutions, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day even better.